Good morning, children. Let us discuss some important questions from NCERT based on complex numbers. Now, question number 1 is I power 18 plus 1 upon iota power 25 whole cube. How to simplify and how to write this in the form of a complex number? This journey you can see some calculations we have done. How we have done? Let us discuss. 18 power 18 can be written as 4 into 4 plus 2 because 4 4 just 16 plus 2. 1 power 25 is 1 as it is, and iota power 25 can be written as 4 into 6 plus 1, that will become 25. And it can be written as again by exponents rules, iota power 4 into iota square. Similarly here, iota power 6 into iota. And we know that iota is root minus 1. By scaling on both the sides, we are getting iota square is minus 1. Again, scaling on both the sides, we are getting iota power 4 is 1. It means in place of iota power 4, we can write 1 here and here also 1. 1 power 4 is 1 multiplying with iota square whose value is minus 1. And here 1 is power 6 is 1 into iota is 1 upon iota. You can see here in the denominator iota is not allowed. That's why we have to rationalize with iota. And after simplifying, after multiplying both of them, we are getting iota square whose value is minus 1. That's why it will become 1 minus iota whole cube. Minus we can take common, but minus 1 cube we have to take common, and what is left 1 plus iota cube. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, and a plus b whole cube, you know, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. By applying this and by opening this bracket, we are getting 1 minus, in place of iota cube, what we are writing, iota square into iota minus 1 into iota, that is minus iota. In place of iota cube, we are writing minus iota, and by multiplying it, we are getting iota square whose value is minus 1 again, and therefore by simplifying it, we are getting minus 2 plus 2 iota. And by multiplying with minus sign, we are getting 2 minus 2 iota, which is in the form of a plus ib. So in this way, we can simplify these kind of questions which are based on iota or anything by adding or subtracting. By opening the power, we can write any number in the form of a complex number. Now let us discuss second question, which is for any two complex numbers z1 and z2, real of z1 z2 equal to real of z1 into real of z2 minus imaginary of z1 into imaginary of z2. Z1 and Z2 are the two complex numbers. Therefore, let us assume first complex number Z1 is x1 plus I y1 and Z2 is x plus x2 plus I y2. And then we have to find out Z1 into Z2. By multiplying both of them, we are getting this complex number. Here what we are getting iota square, which is minus 1. Therefore, it will become a real part. Let us collect both real parts together and both imaginary parts separately. What we are required in the question, real part of Z1 Z2. Real part of Z1 Z2 means Z1 Z2 is this, whose real part is this. That's why what we have written, real part of Z1 Z2 is x1 x2 minus y1 y2. And on the right hand side, it is real part of Z1, real part of Z2 minus imaginary part of Z1, imaginary part of Z2. Means we are required real part of Z1, which is x1, real part of Z2, which is x2, imaginary part of y. Z1 is y1 and imaginary part of Z2 is y. By replacing all of them, again we are getting the same, which is on the left hand side. As both are equal, hence it is true. So in this way, we can solve these kind of questions. You try these questions from NCERT yourself. Thank you so much.